Hello, friend, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Alpha Sky Tech, and thank you for your support and comment. And as always, anytime you have a question, please or comment, you can put it in the comment section. I'll respond to you as soon as possible, and whatever time permit, which I try to make time for you, for my customers. So today I'm bringing you something special. It's called Astro AI, or AstroAI, or Astro AI. That's what shows on the on Amazon. And I purchased this. It's a digital multimeter on Amazon for a very good price. It's $13 plus tax. It's come up to $15, which was very, very good. And this product I rated is an A plus. It has about 42,000 reviews plus. It have about 4.75% of the star, 4.5 stars maybe, which is phenomenal. For the price, you cannot find better than this, folks. You know, I'm just telling you because I purchased it. I have a bad dryer. Basically, I have a problem with my dryer. It has a problem with the bad thermal fuse, which I have to have a thermometer, or a multimeter to check this in here. And I found this, and it's as I said, it's perfect. And it comes with this box. It comes loaded with AAA batteries, folks, which is good. And it have this stand, as you can see. You can utilize it. If you want to use it like this, you can put it, and then you can do the reading in here. But the batteries are here, and it's very simple. I'll show you now. Basically, it's very simple to change. You can just open this, and this is the nut right here. And basically you can lift this, and these are the batteries here. AAA batteries, 2 of them. It's a lot better than the buttons battery. I have some multimeter I utilize, and they have a problem, and I have all sort of problem with them. So this is a great product for the price. You cannot go wrong, and I like it. I utilize it. I have several multimeter, but this one I consider is the best so far. and those prongs, as you can see here, the probes, matter of fact, and the prongs. Look at this. They even cover the prongs, so it won't be getting dirt inside of it, and having a problem. You see that? You have these covers that goes in there, which is it's very, very, very good actually. And usually the black one goes on the COM, and the red ones, it goes on the voltage, to measure voltage, ohms, multimeters, and then diodes actually in here. And this is what goes in like this actually. And then you have the brochure or the guides, and tells you everything you need and all the warning. Well, by the way, when you do a testing on that, which I'm going to do on live currents, and do it on your own risk, please be careful. And this video is just instructional, does not ask you to do that, and just getting my liability out of this. This video is only for instructional purpose and for educational purpose, and you're going to do this on your own risk. I know some risk involved, but I'm just letting you know because I'm going to do a live current testing right here, an AC alternator. So this one is measure automatic power off. Automatically shuts off when you if you not utilize it. It measures direct currents. It have a sign for full battery, a drain battery, and negative readings, fuses, and continuity test, diode test, and warning, and also alternating current, which I'm going to do that. Data holds, it's right here. This button, folks. And normal battery level, resistance, this is right here in this column in yellow. That's an ohm. And earth, ground, and low battery sign, double oscillations. And then this is it. This tells you how to utilize the probes in here, which is a very common sense. You know, everybody can use it and have instructions how to do measuring for DC currents and then AC currents, measuring resistance, continuity test, and such. And I'm going to demonstrate some for you folks today, and to show you how is this things work, which is, as I said, it's phenomenal. I like this product. I really love it. You know, it's a great product. Astro AI, that's what it's called. 2,000 counts, which that's what it has when you do the measuring, and it's a digital, and it's good. So first things first, in here I'm going to show you a testing. I'm going to do measuring of this little battery to demonstrate to you. I'm going to put this in here, and as you can see the readings, and then we put this one in here, and as you can see the reading is 1.51, which is good. It's more than enough, because the battery, it's a the reading for the battery, it shows here, as you can see, it's 1.5 volt, which is, this is good actually. So next reading I'm going to do, folks, to you is the 9 volt battery. It's right here, the 9 volt battery, and then we're going to do the readings for it. I'm going to put this probe here, so you can see like this, and then I'm going to put this one in here. Let's see, I utilize this for few, but it looks good. It's 9.4. That's very good. See, that's the reading for this 9 battery volt. So the other readings, folks, is I'm going to do now is the resistance for this. That's initially, as I mentioned to you, I purchased it for this purpose for my now working dryer, which has this fuse, a thermal fuse, which I replaced it. It's in the dryer now. I should have brought it with me, but I'm going to demonstrate to you when there is an open circuit what is going. So we're going to move this knob to the ohm area, as you can see, 200, and then I'm going to do a continuity test, we call it, in here, and we put the other probe here. As you can see, it's an unfortunately infinite. As you can see the readings here, and that's meaning it's open. It's not. There is no continuity here, as you can see. Now, if I do a jumper for this, just to demonstrate for you folks, if I jump this in here like this, and it's a similar thing if it's connected together though, which is here, and then do the continuity test, you see the numbers is going to change like to zeros or maybe to more. You can, I'm going to demonstrate to you in a minute. There you go, the red probe here. See, the numbers are changed to 0. That's mean there is a continuity. I'm just going to bring it here to you. Okay. You know, if you can see that. It's going to 5 because here you go. You see, it's 0. I have it connected and it's jumped. That's mean there is a circuit going in there, folks. So this is for resistance. The last and but not least is the alternate or live circuit. As you can see here, I'm going to demonstrate to you in here. So basically, you know, these holes it represent the small ones always is a positive, is red, and the large one is a negative, and that's what I'm going to do that now. But I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm going to switch it to 200 volts. As you can see, has been switched to 200 volts right now. Because if you leave it here and do a testing, guess what? You're going to have a fuse blowing inside. Some of the measuring multimeters are going to burn completely, probably get shocked. But this one, if you do that, make a mistake, there's a fuse inside which you can replace. How nice it can be. So if I do this, folks, as you can see, I'm going to put the positive first inside and then the negative inside, and that's 125, as you can see, folks. 125. If I turn off the switch, everything goes to 0. I put it back, 125. And just going to demonstrate to you. You see that? It's 125. Turning off the switch, go back to zeros or 1. That's fine. And turning on the switch, you go 125. And always when you do this, you remove the negative first, and then the positive first, and then the negative after. The rest, red, has been removed, and then the other one. So other things you can measure, there's here, you can put this to here in this area and measure amperage, a higher voltage, folks. If you have a higher voltage, that's what measures to up to 10 amps, you know, in here. There's other things, you know, if you have a battery for the car, it's right here. You can measure your battery and see how good it is on your car. Imagine. And you know, also if you have a higher resistance in here, over 20,000, 20 million, you know, resistance, you have to measure. You have a DC, you know, more than enough on the circuit board. That's a DC on the circuit board. You're gonna measure them in here, folks, even up to 600 in the DC, the direct currents in here. So it's a great product. Basically, I can rate it as an A+, 10 out of 10. You know, this is the best what I've seen so far from Amazon, and for the price, you cannot go wrong. You cannot go wrong. It's called Astro AI. That's what they're claiming to be called. And you know, it has this. You can put it anywhere, and it's not too heavy. And then, you know, this is a kind of rubbery things. If it fell, it's not like a plastic. It's like a rubbery. If it's fell, it doesn't damage. How good it can be. This is tremendous. Oh, by the way, there's one more thing I want to mention. It has a light. You see that? A light when you have it, when you're in the dark area, and then also you can hold your readings for reference. You know, and you know, and this is the battery compartment area. I show you how to replace it, and you know, this is QC tested, and you know, it can fit in your palm of your hands while you're doing the measurements. As you can see, you know, you don't have to you know, hold it. You have a problem with the holding, you can go like this. You know, the way we do testing things. You know, like eating food in Chinese. But yeah, this is the way you hold these probes, the prongs, you know, on a professional way. Sometimes that's the way, you know, you hold them. It depends, you know, what do you measure, how far it is, and sometimes, you know, you can do it this way too. But I'm just giving you an example. You can hold it in your hand and do the testing freely. After you finish, you know, doing testing, you know, you can basically, so you can hold this reading. It's hold it. You see that, and you can see it. Unhold, it goes to infinite again. There's numbers on ohm. We put the numbers in ohm, and it comes with these brochures. You know, even a QR code. I don't know has some explanations too. I didn't go for this, and it says question and idea. I think these guys, they nailed it. They nailed it. The Astro AI, the best product so far, the best multimeter I have ever seen. I have purchased from other locations. I'm not going to mention the names of it, but you know, they were not as good as this, folks. This is the best products out there. So that's all what I have, friends, for now. If you have any questions, any comments, please add them in the comment section, and I will put the link for this product in the description area for you if you want to purchase it or you want to try it or something, you know. And that's all. And again, folks, I want to thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Alpha SkyTech, and I want to thank you for your support. And your questions are valuable to me, and I will try to get back with you with the answer as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.